in a quiet corner of Goa, where ancient worship still breathes within one of its oldest temples. A timeless story waits to be heard. A temple without a front gate, two deities face to face, an old secret hidden in plain sight.
मुळात हे मंदिर जे आसा हे पुरुषोत्तमाचे मंदिर.
गोंयांत फक्त हे एकमेव आशिल्लें आमचें हें परशुरामाचें देवालय.
So if you go to Paingini today, you will find the temple does not have a main door. So it has side entrances because that was a part which was open. So subsequently that structure was connected and it is called as a Dvikutchala. Especially during the Kadamba period, deities facing each other and temple was of one structure, of one unit was very prominent. The unique aspect of this architectural feature of this temple is the temple has two levels in the plinth. So Parshuram is at the lower level and he is at the higher level, where the teacher is always at the higher level and the disciple is at the lower level. So in this case, it is said that Purush is the guru and he is the disciple.
1830 आनंद तीर्थांनी परशुराम मंदिराचे निर्माण केला. मात्र पुरुषोत्तम मंदिर असा हे जवळजवळ 600-700 वर्षा पहिलेचे.
This structure was renovated probably archaeologically. The archaeological evidence which we find was probably renovated during the 16th to the 17th century. But before that, you are not able to compare the date of the original structure. Perhaps it could go to somewhere around, to my knowledge, could be dated to around 7th to 8th century.
आणि एक पुरावो मेळटा म्हळ्यार मध्वाचार्य हांगा येवन रावन गेल्ले आसात. 3 दीस मध्वाचार्यांनी हांगा निवास केला आसा. मध्वाचार्य जावन गेला 650 वर्सां जावन गेली.
So the worship in Paingini consisted of the worship of a small, stone disc, which was called as the chakra. And every Saraswat family in Paingini has the chakra worshipped in his tulsi, which is there in front of his house. So this is a unique feature of that village.
Known for his fierce strength in legends, here he stands in quiet peace, the bow and the axe gently resting, a warrior's soul wrapped in royal calm.
तो परशुरामाची मूर्ती ही उग्र मूर्ती अशी सगळ्यांक दिसता. परंतु पूजेक मूर्ती दवरची ती राजस मूर्ती उरची अशें तातूंत सांगिल्लें आसा. कारण ह्या मूर्तीची उपासना करतना ते मूर्तीचे उपासनेचे गुण आसात किंवा तेजे जे फायदे हे आसात, परिणाम आसात, ते जो पूजक आसता मागीर तो थंय पुजारी आशिल्लो ब्राह्मण आसूं किंवा त्या पुजाऱ्याक दवन त्या मूर्तीची पूजा करणारे ते महाजन किंवा देवस्थान कमिटी ते आसूं, ह्या सगळ्यांक तेजे परिणाम लागता. आनी हेजे करता मूर्ती ही अतिशय प्रसन्न आणि पुजकन किंवा अशी शांत अशीच मूर्ती पुजे लावची अशी तातूंत दवरिल्ली आशिल्ल्यान ही मूर्ती विद्याधिराज तीर्थांनी अग्निपुराणात सांगिल्ले प्रमाण ही मूर्ती तशी मूर्तिकाराक करपा लायला.
Purushottam, Parshuram and the Panchayatan, deities and communities united in timeless faith.
गोंयांत फक्त हे एकमेव आशिल्लें आमचें हें परशुरामाचें देवालय. तर ह्या परशुराम देवालयांत परशुराम आनी परशुराम पंचायग्राम अशें म्हणटात. ह्या पैंगीण गांवांत परशुराम पंचायग्राम दैवत आसात. आतां ह्या देवालयाची काम खूब पयलींचें आशिल्ल्यान, जीर्ण जाल्लें आशिल्ल्यान तें ताजो जिर्णोद्धार करपा खातीर आतां सद्याक परशुरामाची आनी पुरुषोत्तमाची दोनी दैवतां बालालयां हालयिल्लीं आसात.
हे पितृदैवत भगवान परशुराम पुरुषोत्तम आणि मातृदैवत नवदुर्गा, त्याच प्रमाण आदिपुरुष हो जो थंय आसा, विशेषतः जे आमगेले सेवाजन वेळीप म्हणटा तेंगेलो जो मूळ पुरुष म्हणजे तेंगेलो ताका आदिपुरुष अर्थात तांकां लागता तें. सगळे समाजाचे देव हातूंत आमी घेतिल्ल्यान सगळ्याचे एकवट जावचे खातीर बेताळी तसोच बेताळी वेळपाचे हें आनी आदिपुरुशय वेळपाचे तेंगेली मूळ हें सगळें आसा तें वेळपाचें. थंय पुजा अर्चा तेंगेली वेळीप तेच करतात.
This temple stands apart. But wait, there's more to it. A space where ancient traditions meet the present, and every corner tells a story of everlasting divinity.
ही भूमी परशुरामानं निर्माण केली हे पुराणातिगत आजपर्यंत त्या परशुरामाची उपासना करत असतात आणि या सगळ्या क्षेत्राक परशुराम क्षेत्र असे म्हणतात.
The other important feature of this temple is that the Garbhagriha of the Purush is encased in the main temple. So otherwise what happens is the Garbhagriha has a dome over it and it has a shikhar over it, but no, here it is having a same roof and inside you have the Garbhagriha. It is like a small shrine. So that speaks about the antiquity of the structure, because early temples had very small sanctum sanctorums which were later on expanded. So that is one indicator, archaeological indicator, to prove that it is a very early period temple. Now in this temple, why it is again unique is because it has kavi art. There are such beautiful paintings that despite of they being painted, you can still see them through the walls. Other thing is the whole Sabha Mandap of the Purushottam temple is placed on wooden pillars, and these pillars are exquisite. So these pillars are again very unique. If you go to these pillars, you will find carvings of Dashavatar, 10 incarnations, regional carvings, regional influences there, and there is to the left hand side there is something called as the Prasadas of Khambo. So whatever I am referring to is the one and only ancient worship, where I am talking about facts based on archaeology, okay, and based on myths and folk stories. What I would consider as an academician or academic aspect of history is, if there are no written records, I would take archaeology as the primary source of history. So archaeologically it is the one and only temple of Parshuram in Goa.
In every ripple of the Konkan Sea, in every quiet offering to the skies, Parshuram lives on, not as a conqueror, but as the quiet guardian of the land he shaped and chose to bless.